จากฟิลิปปินส์โอเคmabuhay for all our Philippine fans CJ she will fly from Manila by Philippines Airline business class on 2nd of June. Flight departure time is like 9:30 something in the morning. If you want to sending her at the airport, Pinoy Aquino Airport, Manila, you can send her by Philippine Airlines. Yeah, like at 7 o'clock at the airport. 7 o'clock at the airport, you can send her at the airport on 2nd June. On 2nd June, okay? And she will arrive in Bangkok. The local time is 12:15, like 12:30. If anyone of want to pick her up at the airport, you can go to the airport like 12:30. For sure, she will come out like 1 o'clock, okay? I will wait her at the airport to welcome her back to be the winner queen. And our event will be on 2 p.m. 3rd of June, watching live from Grand TV. And then she will fly back 3rd of June at night, like 9 p.m. because she is so busy. She very super famous. She has event because now she has a lot of work in Philippines. She said she famous because of MGI. So a lot of people ask her for MC. She has so many MC during this month. She going to do the MC and flying back to Bangkok. Now she start busy life, journey life, and delicious life at this moment.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. Ang inyo pong napanood ay ang statement at ang update ni Mr. Nawat dito kay CJ Opiasa dahil na-set up na po ang flight ni CJ mula sa Pilipinas papunta sa Thailand para i-take over yung Miss Grand International title. So mga kapolitika, ito ay post po ng mga taga Thailand doon sa kailang social media page at kinuha nila yung video dito kay Mr. Nawat at ang sabi nila ay we love or we support CJ Opiasa daw dito sa kanyang pagre-reign as Miss Grand International winner. Okay, so in other words ay suportado po ng mga Thai people itong ating kandidata na si CJ Opiasa. Okay, so yun po, at the same time na mention rin po ni Mr. Nawat itong business class flight ni CJ Opiasa. So at this point ay meron na talagang special treatment itong si CJ mula sa CEO ng Miss Grand International na si Sir Nawat. So ang update rin po kay CJ ay dito siya sa Sorsogon na kung saan is nagkaroon sila ng event mga kapolitika at binigyan na po siya ng pagkilala ng stewardess dito sa airplane na kanyang sinakyan bilang Miss Grand International 2024 winner. Okay, so yun po ang ating update. So sa June 2 pa po lilipad itong si CJ Opiasa papunta sa Thailand. So nakaka-excite mga kapolitika dahil siya ang kaunahang Miss Grand International title holder na mula sa Pilipinas. At suportahan po natin si CJ Opiasa dito sa kanyang pag-reign bilang Miss Grand International 2024 at we are hoping mga kapolitika na sana ay hindi magkakaroon ng malaking problema sa kanyang pagganap bilang Miss Grand International winner dito sa kanilang organization. Okay? So yun po ang ating update kay CJ Opiasa. Ano po ang inyong mag-reaction sa video ito? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Congratulating CJ Opiasa for winning Miss Grand International 2024. Thank you, Pal, for flying with us. Thank you. Baba na raw tayo.
Let's go!